My bird is gone. I want it back. Hi, have you seen my bird? No, I have not seen your bird. Thank you anyway. Have you seen my bird around here? No, but I've been wanting to make a lava cake. Do you want to help? Yes, please. Have you seen my bird? I would never steal a bird or take one. Don't ask me any more questions. Thank you anyway. Have you seen my bird? No, sadly. I really hope you find your bird. Thank you anyway. Nobody has ever seen my bird. What if I never see my bird again? What if nobody finds my bird? My poor bird. I miss it so much.
What is wrong?
I have lost my bird. What did your bird look like? It was dark blue, beaky, and I have seen my bird. You stole my bird.
You stole my bird.
I love my bird. Excuse me? Have you seen a robotic mechanical dog? No, I haven't seen a robotic dog. I will never dismantle a robotic dog. Don't ask me any more questions. Okay, thank you anyway.